Hi everyone, it's Jez here from Nigezza.blogspot.com, and today I am going to show you how to make this lovely gift bag. I chose to do like a lunch bag style fold over top with the ribbon, and I thought, you know, Valentine's coming up, or Mother's Day a little bit further on, that a nice luxurious looking gift bag might be something that you would need to give some chocolates, small piece of jewellery, whatever, to your mum or your loved one, or indeed anyone. Okay, might be quite nice for a wedding as well. Lots of weddings now you gift money to, or gift cards, so you could dress it up to make it look a little bit more special on the table for presents at a wedding. Okay, so this is what I did. So I'm using the Bundle of Love, beautiful paper. So you just need a 12 by 12 sheet, and you are going to score at 2, and then you're going to score at 5.5, and then you're going to score at 7.5. All the measurements will, as ever, be over on my blog, Nigezza.blogspot.com, and then we're going to score at 11, and then we're just going to flip 90 degrees and score at 2. Okay, we will need the scoreboard again in a sec, but we'll just get this folded and burnished. So we are going to fold and burnish along all these score lines. Very simple, very quick, this gift bag, but very lovely, luxurious. Because this is our speciality DSP, so it is slightly thicker than our normal papers, but not quite as thick as cardstock. Although I have bought some cardstock from other places before I joined Stampin app that weren't as good as this. Okay, so it's very hard to see, but there is a little rectangle there, and that's what we want to get rid of. So we just want to cut up there and just notch in slightly there, and then we're going to cut up each of these score lines just like you would for a box. And so that one we want to keep intact, so we're going to notch all the others. I'm going to bring in my big scissors so I can easily do that in a sweep. Not sure if I'm actually in camera when I'm doing this. Try and do it on the side. Just notch in. There we go. Get rid of those bits. And then I'm just going to run a bit of fast fuse up this long end. And then I'm just going to join those up because it's completely symmetrical. That just meets any little extra fast fuse there, just rubs away. For a glue that's really strong and you only get like one go with it, it will just rub off if it's not stuck to anything. So I quite like it for that reason. Okay, so that's our back. So I'm just going to put a bit of fast fuse on there, a bit on there. So they go down like that. That gets stuck on, and then we can just fast fuse that one in place at the bottom. Now I've got a big 12-inch ruler, just make sure that's nicely adhered there. Okay, now because the way that that's folded, that seam will be directly in the middle, so that will help it fold. So we're just gently pushing down, and we will form sort of a natural sort of curvy that way, like so. But what I want to do with this, to give it a nice fold over the top, I'm bringing my, so line it up on my score, on my grid pad there, and line that up there. That's an inch. And go down again, another inch. Just so that it folds a little easier. Then get my foam folder. And then we're going to fold it over once again. To give it that rolled over lunch bag sort of look. That's what I'm going for. Like so. So you've got a nice big space in there for lots of goodies. And then we are going to, because that is quite a lot that we're going through, so I'm going to use my crocodile, because that's what I've got. I've got it set at 1/2 inch, so it will that one's set at 1/2 inch, so it will go in the centre of the fold. Do that on both sides. Let's get my pokey tool to mark where it is. So poking my pokey tool all the way through, so I know when I unfold it where I'm going to stick this hole. Sounds rude, that. Get rid of So find the hole, line it up, punch. Find the hole, line it up and punch. So now those will line up lovely jubbly. And I've got some of this lovely gold ribbon that was still on the clearance rack the last time I looked, and I'm going to thread that through. There we are. Now before I tie that off, I have cut a piece of a very vanilla 2 inches by 6 inches, and I've run it through this embossing folder, and these are one of our petal petal pear textured impressions. So I'm using the floral run, so I've run that through. I cut some gold foil using the second from largest stitch framelit. You could in fact just use a circle punch, and then I run that through as well using the treat bag Finlit dies. I've cut a heart and I've cut the for you there, so that's my decoration, but I'm going to flag the end, and I'm going to use our triple banner punch for this, and I'm going to stick this up and punch, and then that gives me a lovely banner to stick on there. I am going to get a bit of fast fuse on the back of this, stick that over there. I'm going to use a bit of Tombow to stick my sentiments on top of my heart. Oh, that's it, don't come, and then it all comes together a bit like a bus. Right, I'm going to clean some of that off. That is what I was trying to avoid. Stick the for you on there, and then a couple of dimensionals. Need a little bit of glue on there, stick that up there, Love this ribbon. It has got such a lovely luxury feel, as does this beautiful paper. makes any gift look amazing. So there we have it. So very beautiful, very luxurious looking gift bag that would hold a nice piece of jewellery, some goodies, gift card, anything really, anything that's that nice little size there, and I'm sure anybody would be happy to receive that. Okay, all the measurements will be over on my blog, nigezza.blogspot.com, and I hope to see you again soon.